Today I'm going to show you how to quickly rip a CD to Flac. First we'll go to Google and we're going to type in free AC. Click enter. Let's go ahead into this top link. Now what we're going to do is head over to the download on the right. Now there is a Microsoft Store version, but it sucks, so what we're going to do is grab this version. Click this link, let it download. Let's open up this file and get it installed. So as usual, what we're going to do is next. Click yes, the usual next. You don't have to have this turned on. I turn it on for command line stuff, but you can ignore this option. Click next, 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 let it install. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the program. As you can see, it's pretty nothing here at the minute, but here's our encoder settings and here's where our music will be going. So let's go ahead and change that from MP3 to Flac. So if you get on here, select Flac. Now what we need to do, pop in a CD. Once your CD is loaded, just click this little button to load it up. Yep. Now all we need to click is encode, this little green tick. Now this can take a little while, maybe 10 minutes max. So as you can see, our files are starting to rip. So let's come back in 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes later and we're all done. Let's go ahead and check these files. There you go, there's our full album. Let's go down to properties, let's have a look. Details. Here's our bitrate. And then here's our file type, Flac. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thanks.